What's up, everybody? This is Anthony reporting live to you from Anthony's channel right here. I'm inside the house because it's hot outside, so definitely not going out there right now. Just doing a public service announcement brought to you by the good folks at the Big Orange Box Home Depot skis. Got me a nice little setup today. And today we're going to do an unboxing of the M18 Fan. This is the tool only. And this is product number 088620-20, sorry. So here we go. Let's get it open. I'm going to get a small unboxing knife. Edward Scissorhands on deck. It's open right there. From the good folks at Milwaukee. The usual books and shit. Make sure you register. Get free shit. Don't tell them I told you though. Boom. Here it is. Nice little heavy duty fan for outside in the garage when I'm out there. When I'm out there cleaning up, it's pretty nice, pretty solid. Quality built. Let's do the smell test. Smells pretty good. But here it is. Feels like good quality. It's pretty solid. Probably hang it from the top or something like that. Have it blowing on you. It takes the battery. That's why I got it. I got a couple batteries. So it takes the battery, and it does have the AC adapter, which is a plus. So if you don't want to use the batteries, you just plug it in. Boom. It's a win-win. You can't go wrong. So since I'm right here by a plug, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Portable. I like that it's portable. Really long cord too. It's about a good 5 feet long maybe. Two, and that's three. Feels like it's blowing pretty good. There it is. Milwaukee. Want to give a shout out to Milwaukee, hooking it up like always. Appreciate it, all my people over there. That's cool. AC blowing, fan is on. It's a win-win. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Drop me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what city you're in. Let me know where you saw this video at. All around the world, let me know. drop it down below. Hit that button. Catch you all on the next one.